Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. With me, Fei Fei.
And me, Roy.
We may sound a little different. That's because we're not able to record in our normal studios during the coronavirus outbreak. In this program, we have an expression that is used to describe publicly criticizing someone. Roy, why are you hiding under the desk?
Well, I'm a bit scared at the moment. Neil said you were throwing shade at me, so I don't want to get hit. I guess it was you who smashed the window throwing all that shade around.
Roy, I'm not throwing anything physically. I was throwing shade at you. That means I was publicly criticizing you. I was telling everyone how terrible your favourite t-shirt is. You always wear it, but the film on it, it's so uncool. Who likes Gibbons by the Sea?
I do. It's a brilliant film. You should stop throwing shade. I love this t-shirt. It's a classic.
It's not a classic. It's old. Also, I did smash that window as I literally threw a bag of your other terrible t-shirts out of the window. We'll talk about it more after these examples.
Edja got really angry when she caught her friend throwing shade at her. Hey, don't throw shade at my job. It may not pay well, but I enjoy it. Joan never throws shade. She's so chilled out.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the expression throw shade, which describes the act of publicly criticizing someone.
I can't believe you threw my bag of t-shirts out the window. I know you don't like my t-shirts, but you should stop throwing shade at me.
Okay, I will. I'm sorry, Roy. Actually, do you want to know a secret? I love your t-shirts. I wanted to buy one, but I couldn't find one.
Well, I have a spare in the bag. You can have my other Gibbons by the Sea t-shirt, and then we can have matching t-shirts in the office. We'll look so cool.
Yes, we will. Bye, Roy.
Bye, Fei Fei.